and welcome back to the ZeduHow series. I'm your host, the jolliest of developers, and in today's episode we are going to be talking about how to use Google Calendar. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to go to www.google.com if you're not already there. After that, click on the 3x3 dots and then go all the way down here where it says calendar and click on it. Once you're there, it'll drop you over here to the day view. Now what we want to do is we need to click here where it says day, and we're going to change that to week, because in my personal opinion, what you need to do is you need to name your plan out your weeks and name your projects always 1 week at a time, so you can stay on top of things, and if anything changes you can always customize the week schedule. So first of all, what we need to learn is how to create a calendar. Why? Because if we create more calendars, we can keep ourselves organized, and it's just a lot more easier and a lot more fun. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is you guys are going to need to click here on where it says add more calendars, new calendar. It's going to bring you to this page. You are going to need to type in the name of your calendar. For example, I'm just going to call this my project. You can name it whatever you want. Okay, once you're done, this little message at the bottom of your screen should pop up. Click on the configure. Now, as you can see, you're going to need to make this available to public, and then click OK. Now, this is only if you want to have a public calendar and if you want to share it with people. After that, click on the Get Shareable link. You can copy that link by clicking right click and copy, and now you can use that link wherever you want. After that, you can just press copy link also, and it is in your clipboard, and I can paste it to wherever you need, like your Google Classroom, to your assignments, or if you need to share with somebody in an email. Now after that, once you're done here with your settings, go all the way up here to the arrow, click go back, and let's go and create a new event in our brand new fancy calendar. So the first thing is that you want to uncheck these boxes and make sure that the only one that you have is going to be my project right here, this one. So as you can see, here are the green ones, and these green ones are national holidays or country holidays that Google automatically puts in for you. Now all you have to do is click on one of these slots and you can type in the event name. So for example, let's say my project 1. After that, all you need to do is you can give it a different color, for example, if you want to change it to different events, or you can even change the date and time. After that, press the blue save button, and then you have your event ready. Now, for example, if I wanted to see my entire month, all I would have to do is click here where it says week and then click on month, or I can even check out the year. So that is how you have to use Google Calendar. Thank you so much for checking out this video, and we will see you in the next video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a little bit of a thumbs up, and if you have any ideas for us, make sure you comment down below, and see you soon.